Hello guys, everyone. Very good evening. In fact, I should say a night to all of you. Here you welcome to our next fourth session of MCQ, where we are going to discuss the MCQ for your chapter number 2 and part 2. So this is going to be the last session for your second chapter, and then from tomorrow we'll start with the next chapter. Next chapter is going to be of agriculture income. Okay. So everyone quickly join me for today's session by just typing join my quiz on your web browser and typing the code for today's quiz, which is also just rightly written here on my right hand side. Yes, the code for today's quiz is 639798. Yes, join the quiz quickly by going on to joinmyquiz.com and entering the code 639798. Yes, I'm there on the quiz page. The code for today's session is 639798. I'm waiting for another 5 minutes and then we'll start with the quiz. Guys, is 9 to 10 fine for you? I think there are many less students today. Okay, I'll be waiting for another 2 minutes and then we'll start with the quiz. Okay, it seems only 3 students are there today because they have changed the time. Anyways, let's start with 3 of you. Okay. So here is the first question in front of you. SM Limited is registered which has its head office in Australia. The poem of its business affairs is situated in India. SM Limited shall be. So here the registered office is in head office in Australia, but the poem is in India. So what will be the status of SM Limited? Yes. Okay. So well done. As we 3 are there, we are going to finish quickly. If you are online, please join the session by going to join my quiz and putting this code there, so you can also participate in the quiz. And answer 1 was absolutely correct, because as it is company and the status of company, it decided on the basis of poem, and as the poem is in India, its residential status will be also in India. Perfect. Next question. Okay, question number 4. Second, PC Limited is registered in India, but its poem is in Nepal. D Limited is registered in Nepal, but its poem is in India. So in both of the cases, cases, what will happen? PC Limited registered in India, that's an Indian company, but poem outside. D Limited is outside company, but poem inside. So what will happen, guys? Yes? Okay. So the right answer is here, option D. PC Limited, option C, guys. Both are resident of India. How you are giving option D answer? See, PC Limited is registered in India, so it's an Indian company. No issue. It's always going to be resident. D Limited is registered in Nepal, but Poem is in India, so even that is a resident. Why you got confused? Clear? Okay. Let's go to the next question. SM Limited is an Indian company. It carries its business in Delhi and London. The poem of the company is situated in London. More than 85% of its business income is also from England. If so, its residential status will be. See, don't forget, it's an Indian company. Don't get confused. Okay? Everyone, please come on this site and join the quiz right now. You can participate in the quiz. The code for today's quiz is 639798. Okay. And the right answer here is option number D. It's resident. जैसे ही कोई कंपनी इंडियन कंपनी बन जाती है, बात ही खत्म. It is always going to be resident wherever it may be doing the business. And whenever some company is not an Indian company, then we will decide on the basis of poem. What is poem? Place of effective management. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Yes. And question number 5 is here. 4 is here. Income deemed to be received in India is given under section. It is a section question. Please give the answer and try to remember the same. Yes. Answer is option B, and only one has given right answer, option section 7. It's fine, you do not remember, it's very good, it's absolutely fine, but please try to remember now onwards. Okay, let's move to the next question. Income received in India during the previous year is taxable in case of ROR, NOR, NR or all. Income received in India. Income has been received in India. So will be taxable in which cases, guys? Simple question. Is option number D, absolutely correct. In all the cases, as it is received or earned or deemed to be received or deemed to be accrued in India, it is always going to be taxable in India. Perfect. Next question. Question number 6. Foreign income received in India during the previous year is taxable in case of foreign income but received in India. Please be very careful, and we want only some few things to be remembered. That's what all residential status is about. Income is of foreign, but it is received in India, is going to be taxable in which cases? Yes. Last 5 seconds remaining. Okay. is option D. It's absolutely correct. It is always going to be taxable because again it is received in India. Even though income of any of the country received in India, it is going to be flat taxable. Next question. Question number 7. Income which accrues in India but received outside India are taxable in case of accrued in India. Remember, we want any one thing out of 4 things. It is going to be taxable in India. Either accrued, received, deemed to be accrued, or deemed to be received. So income which is accrued in India, even though received outside India, will be taxable in case of. Yes, come on, answer. Abhi, quickly. You are only the one remaining. I think left the quiz now. Okay. So right answer of this is yes. Again, it is going to be taxable in all cases. Why? Because it is accrued in India. And once the income is accrued in India or received or deemed to be accrued or deemed to be received, always taxable. If you have any queries, please post it on YouTube live. I'm there live. I can see your queries. Income which accrue or arise outside India and also received outside India is taxable in case of only and only the bakra. If we remember from the class, accrue bhi bahar hai, receive bhi bahar hai, but taxable in case of whom? Very good. Let's see your answer. And the right answer is option number A. Very good. It's taxable only in the case of ROR. Next question. Income accruing in London received there is taxable in India in the case of accrued outside, received outside. Will be taxable in the case of whom? Everyone who are online on YouTube, please participate in the quiz by just putting this small thing, join my quiz and putting the code there. Okay. And okay, Abhi is back. Now Anjana is somewhere. Yeah, even Anjana is there. That's very good. Abhi, बीच में घूम गए थे क्या तुम? Okay. And right answer is option A. Very good. ये दो जन कौन गलत आंसर दे रहे हैं? Why you are confused? Next question. Question number 10. Income accruing from agriculture in a foreign country is taxable in India in case of an SAC who is dash dash. So an agriculture income in a foreign country is taxable in India in case of whom? The more quickly you answer, the more score you get. Even that's the right thing, huh, here. So you get a chance to be top 3. Answer is option A, ROR. Very good. Next question. Question number 11. Which income is taxable in India to ROR individual? So resident and ordinary resident individual. Which income is going to be taxable? The options are any income accrued or received in India, any income accrued outside India, any income received outside India, all of the income. Is ROR. Do not forget, he is the bakra. In our words. Yes, come on, answer quickly. Only G is remaining. Okay, very good. Perfect. And the right answer is very good. Everyone are going to get the answer. Next question. Which income is taxable in India to RNOR individual. RNOR individual. Resident and not an ordinary resident. Business income accrued outside India, property income accrued outside India, interest income accrued outside India, income accrued outside India, but derived or controlled from in India. Yes, very simple. Everyone please participate in the quiz by going to this site. Who are there live on YouTube? Okay, very good. I want everyone to be correct. Very good. Absolutely correct. Okay, don't worry, we are going to slowly increase the difficulty level. Income which accrue outside India from business control in India is not taxable in case of. Is not taxable. It is said that accrued outside India but control from India is not taxable in case of. Yes. Last 10 seconds, come on quickly. Very good. Okay. And the right answer is option B. Very good. Because ROR and RNOR दोनों के लिए वो taxable हो जाएगा. I'm very happy with your answers now. Hopefully you haven't opened your book. Next question is here. Which income is taxable to India to non-resident individual? So someone who is non-resident, which income will be taxable in India? Options are right there in front of you. Yes. Be very careful. The things are quite confusing now. Answer it quickly. You have got late to join today. Okay. And the right answer is option B. Very good. सबको आंसर मिल गए क्या कहीं से? सभी सही आंसर दे रहे हैं. Okay. Next question. Income earned and received outside India but later on remitted to India is taxable to. Earned बाहर है, received भी बाहर है, बाद में इंडिया में लेके आए. If you remember the session, इसका कुछ मतलब नहीं होता है. बाद में लेके आओ, that doesn't make any difference. Taxable only in case of. Oh, sorry. Wait a minute. It's wrong. Sorry. Answer is wrong here. ROR is right answer. I'm very sorry. Wrong answer has been maybe mistakenly put in by me. But ROR is right answer. Option A is the correct answer because ROR की तो हर income taxable होने वाली है. Okay. ROR is the right answer, everyone. Next question. Past untaxed, now it is past untaxed profit brought into India in this year. Now answer it correctly. Yes, Aditya, definitely some confusing ही लगेगा because it is so all related, ROR, RNOR, everything. So you need to be very clear with your concepts. Past untaxed income brought now. We have seen such example when we are doing practice in class. Number D, none of the above. Absolutely correct. पहले का कुछ भी हो, अभी आया, हमें उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. We are concerned with the income earned and accrued just right now. Yes, Abhishek, there is a lag of 15 seconds. It is because YouTube Live आपको 10-15 सेकंड के बाद डिलीवर होता है, and the app is very quick, so that 10-15 second gap will be there. Next question. Profits rupees 1 lakh for previous year 18-19 of a business in Australia remitted to India during 1920. Not taxed earlier would be. Come on now. Everyone give your right answer now. पहले का प्रॉफिट है, now brought into India. Come on, quickly answer. 17 seconds remaining only. Right answer is option B, not taxable in any of the cases. Guys, why you got confused? It was just like the earlier question. पिछले कुछ सालों का untaxed profit brought later on, you are not concerned with that. You are concerned with only and only profit that is earned during the year. Please don't get confused. Okay, everyone? Next question. Income of non-resident from business connection in India is, if you remember, it is one of the condition of dash 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 dash. आपसे मैंने क्लास में कितनी बार बुलवाया था, if you remember it nicely. One is remaining to answer. Abhi. Okay. And the right answer to this is option D. Very good. Very good. Next question. Everyone who are online on YouTube, please come here on this side and participate in our quiz. Income earned from a contract negotiated by an agent in India in name of non-resident but approved by such non-resident shall be. So, do that agent make a business connection in India? वो सोचो and then answer it. Does that income make the business connection? And the right answer is here. Very good. Yeah, it amounts to a business connection and hence it is deemed to be accrued in India. I'm so happy. I think you are prepared this time. क्या जय माता दी कर रहे हो? Question number 20. Short-term capital gain on sale of shares of an Indian company but received in Australia. Company Indian है. Please say the answer. It is going to be acceptable in India or not? इंडियन कंपनी के शेयर बाहर बेचे आपने, क्या ये प्रॉफिट इंडिया में टैक्स होगा या नहीं होगा? यस, अभिषेक अंजना, अभिषेक आर यू देयर इन द क्विज? And answer is option D. Very good. Because it is Indian company share, it is always going to be deemed to be accrued in India. Okay. Next question. Question number 21. Dividend more than 10 lakhs paid by an Indian company outside India is to recipient and a company. Yes. रिसिपिएंट के लिए क्या होगा और कंपनी के लिए क्या होगा? डिविडेंड पेड बाय अ कंपनी more than 10 lakh rupees. Sorry, option A is right answer. Here option has been given mistakenly wrong. Option A is absolutely correct answer. It's going to be taxable for both of them. Company will pay dividend distribution tax and the person who is receiving it, as it is above 1 lakh rupees long term capital, as it is above 1 lakh rupees from equity shares, it is also going to be taxed in the hands of recipient. Next question. Question number 22. Fees for technical services paid by central government. Yes, if you remember the class, again very simple question. Central government ने pay किया है for technical services. Please remember, was this one of the condition for deemed to be accrual in India or not? Very good. Option D. It was one of the conditions for deemed to be accrued in India and will be taxable in all cases. Question number 23. X Limited of USA borrowed money in USA for doing business in India. X Limited paid 5 lakh rupees as an interest. See, money आपने बाहर से borrow किए पर business India में किया है. Is it one of the conditions for deemed to be accrued in India or not? Yes. Whenever loan is taken, money is borrowed outside India, but for the purpose for the loan is in India, it is. Yes, it is. It is deemed to be approved in India. Absolutely correct. Abhishek, what problem you are getting? क्या आपको कम time मिल रहा है क्या? Shall I increase the time, Abhishek? Please let me know. Okay. Next question. Question number 24. Remuneration for rendering services on a foreign ship not taxable in India in case of rendering services on a foreign ship not taxable in India in case of. Yes. Yes, Aditya, I said you, the day you are there in the chapter or the part 2, part 3 are going to be more and more complex as well as interesting. And right answer is non-resident. Absolutely correct. Majority of you are very correct. Question number 25. Income from a business in Canada, controlled from Canada, is taxable in case of only and only. Shriram is very quick to answer. Shriram रुकता भी नहीं शायद से YouTube पे क्वेश्चन दिखाने के लिए. Yes. Earned outside India, control outside India will be taxable only and only in case of. Yes, यहाँ पे कौन फंसेगा? सिर्फ और सिर्फ रियाल, where are you? यहाँ पे फंसेगा सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमारा ROR. Okay? बिकॉज ROR की हर एक इनकम पूरी पूरी इंडिया में टैक्सेबल होती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. Dividend rupees 5,000 was received from a foreign company outside India by ROR. 4,000 remitted to India. Just a minute. Wait a minute. I'm skipping this question. Wait a minute. Don't answer. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है. Amendment. I haven't considered the amendment. I'm sorry for this question. Okay. Wait a minute, even I'll skip this as well. मैं extra question लेके आया हुआ, don't worry. Okay, Mr. SM, resident and not an ordinary resident, earns interest on UK bond. 1/4 of this is received in India. Profit on sale of building in India but received in Holland 2 lakhs. How much total income will be taxable in India, guys? पहली बात, UK बॉन्ड के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट मिला है 2 लाख, 1/4 इंडिया में मिला है. फर्दर 2 लाख रुपीस की बिल्डिंग इंडिया में बेची है. How much will be taxable in India? Yes, everyone answer. Okay, Aditya. Yes, quite tricky question. Have everyone answered this? Okay. And the right answer is option number A, 2,50,000. Maximum of you have done mistakes. See now, guys, everyone. UK bonds के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट मिला है, so interest is accrued outside India, but 1/4 50,000 is received in India, so 50,000 India में taxable. Further, Indian building, whenever an asset of India is been sold, it is always going to be deemed to be accrued in India. So 50,000 received in India and 2 lakh rupees deemed to be accrued in India. In and all total, 2,50,000 rupees is taxed in India. Everyone clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 29. Income deemed to be received in India is given under section. I will just skip this. Or you have to answer quickly. Deemed to be received का section फटाक से बोलो कुछ तो भी. I know you are going to do Jai Mata Di. Okay, and that answer is section 7. Okay, please remember this. Next question, question number 30. Indian income means, yes guys, what do you mean by Indian income? Simple question. Number C. Very good. Next question, question number 31. Just 4 questions to go. Foreign income means, simple questions. Again, very simple question. Yes, Abhi, we are waiting for your answer. the above. Very good. Next question, question number 32. Income received in India during the previous year is taxable in case of. Simple. I think now again there are very simple questions. Okay. That's it. Question number 32 has been done. Very simple. Hopefully everyone given correct answer. Yes. If you say next question is simple, or else I will end the quiz. Foreign income received in India during the previous year is taxable in case of. Why these simple questions are there? Are they repeated, guys? Answer is it taxable in case of all, because it is received in India. Okay, Abhishek, it's fine. Income which accrues in India but received outside India are taxable in case of. Accrued in India, received outside India is taxable in which case? Yes, last second question. Outside India is taxable in case of. Yes, Anjana? Okay, that's it. Very good. Last question for today. Income which accrue or arise outside India and also received outside India is taxable in case of only and only. Very simple question. And with this note, we end our session today. With this question, just a minute. We'll see who are the toppers for today. So our topper for today are Ruchita, Shubha and Lekna. Absolutely good. Ruchita has given 80% correct answer, both Ruchita and Shubha, and Lekna has given 77% correct answer. Okay, that's really very good to hear. So that's perfect. That's all for today. Tomorrow again I'm going to be there. Before going for tomorrow, please everyone say, is this time fine for everyone? 9 to 10. Okay, Shriram, if you wouldn't have missed this, then you would be topper. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be again back 9, actually not 9 to 10, it's just 9 to 9:40, 35 to 40 minute session. Tomorrow we'll be taking the chapter number 3, exempt income. Okay, so firstly say me, अब ये आपका ऐप बंद कर दो, come on YouTube live and say me, is this session time fine for everyone? Yes? Okay. So आप मुझे फटाक से बोलिए कि आपको session time is fine for everyone, and if it is fine, we'll continue on the same time. Please ask your friends and family members who are going to attempt for CA, CS or CMA for the intern executive level. They can come and attend the session live with live quiz. It will be more fun to us if there are more students with us. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow on the same time from 9 to around 9:30 with chapter number 3, exempt income. See ya. Take care. And yes, if you have any queries, please comment here on your YouTube live session. I am there to attend your queries. No queries, guys. Then you can leave the session. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Okay.